Hello, this is John Sheely at Trader Country Club. I'm going to do a little special report on Bitcoin futures. This is a Bitcoin chart with TradeStation technologies. We use TradeStation a great deal. It's a wonderful program. It's something that you should consider because we are able to do all kind of research with TradeStation and to execute trades easily. So just take a look at TradeStation. We use it quite a bit. Uh, the reason I'm talking about Bitcoin is this. I haven't really been using and looking at Bitcoin for a good while. And the reason being, it's been traded now for quite some period of time, but it's not just a huge price. Now, most people with a commodity account, they can't afford to buy and sell the Bitcoin that is in the contract that I'm showing you here. But you can have fractional Bitcoin and different programs. Um, the reason I'm just showing this now is previously the volume in Bitcoin was relatively low. And when you have a bunch of traders who do not trade that often, then the bid-ask spread could be very wide. And therefore, it makes it more expensive to come into a trade or out of a trade because if you're trying to buy properly, sometimes the spread is too wide. Well, what's happening now, we're getting more and more interest in Bitcoin and Ethereum and other uh, possible, and I'll say possible currencies. They're already discussing the possibility within a year or two of changing the Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc., into you can actually use a wallet in regards to um, buying services and products. We don't know yet, but at this particular time, it is increasing in regards to the activity and the interest. So we're going to start looking at Bitcoin a little closer. But I'm showing you the daily chart here. Certain strategies how we use and how do we analyze price charts. Well, what I'm showing you here is we use the same strategies. And you're looking at this chart here of Bitcoin. It really looks like any other chart. I'm looking at stocks. I'm looking at commodities. It has a very similar appearance on how prices move. So we are very happy to talk about Bitcoin, but in the future, we're going to talk about the technical feature of Bitcoin and kind of get an idea of how to trade Bitcoin using the same strategies that you can use for stocks or commodities. And now, in regards to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other stocks that have a trading of intraday charting, however, is very different. When you have very small intraday bars and prices where some of the price movement doesn't move around very much, that really creates a problem in regards to day trading. So we're going to be discussing the daily and weekly, but I don't advise a day trading Bitcoin at this particular time using the same strategies that you can use for those who are day trading stocks or popular commodities. This is John Sheely with Trader Country Club.